Adventure bush flying in a Zenith CH-701. Low and slow flight over wild forests, rivers and mountains. Stall aircraft spirit, freedom or exploration. Night propeller engine, honey blended with wind and nature sounds.
Adventure bush flying in a Zenith CH-701. Low and slow flight over wild forests, rivers and mountains. Stall aircraft spirit, freedom and exploration. Light propeller engine, hem blended with wind and nature sounds. Feeling of discovery and remote landing strips. Golden hours, sunlight, modern cinematic chilled. Similar vibe to but more, and nature in